Welcome to the EC-CAD pipe training. This will be exercise number 6, creating custom attributes in Part Manager. Custom attributes will let you add additional information to any part that will be carried over into AutoCAD MEP and will populate the properties. Therefore, these attributes can be used to create schedules, tags, etc. To do this, you're going to be in your main screen of Part Manager on the Pipe tab, and you'll have a second icon from the right here is Custom Attribute. It's got a little yellow dog-eared sheet of paper there. We're going to open this up, and we're going to tell it we want to add a custom attribute. Let's just say just to our cap series by just selecting cap, or if I wanted to select every fitting and add a custom attribute to every one of the fittings, I could do that all at once. For this exercise, I'm going to deselect them here, and I'm just going to select the fitting group cap. And then I'm going to come over here, and we have delete, edit, and add. I'm going to add a new custom attribute, and we're going to call this labor. So if I come over here and say I want to call this labor, and then I'll just hit done. Now when I come back and I click on to labor here with the check mark in cap and hit done, it's going to add that field into the caps. So if I go back here and go to my cap pull down and select any one of my fitting groups, I'm going to hit the edit group button. And now looking here, you'll notice that I've put a column in here for labor. So this can be populated. It becomes a filter item as well. And as I said earlier, this carries over into the properties of AutoCAD MEP. And this concludes this section number 6 of EC-CAD pipe training.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.